scatterplot in DataDesk. Select the scatterplot command from the toolbar. Then drag the variables you wish to plot onto the axes in the resulting window. Let's look at the duration of a roller coaster ride and how it depends on the length of the track. Here we can see that longer track leads to longer rides. If you'd like to put a line on the plot, click on the Hyperview menu and ask to add the regression line. You can identify individual points by opening a variable that names the individual points, in this case they're roller coasters, and using the Query tool. For example, this one here is the Millennium Force. One more thing. Once you've identified a point, you may wish to know more about it. Go to the Special menu and choose the Web Search Query. It will look up the last thing you identified, in this case, the Millennium Force roller coaster, and you'll find out about that.